Hello! Hello everyone, my name is Mila. Welcome to Milaartistique. This video is about my first project under Milaartistique, which I called Caricature for a Cause. This idea started when I opened my art studio in the Philippines in the year 2000, which I named to Lil Handprint. I teach arts and crafts to the kids, and then later on I changed it to Creative Hand. And then I started to give free art lessons to the kids with disabilities. I have some friends who joined me, and we went to different orphanages and institutions. Now, I wanted to continue this, and I want to use my talent for a purpose. That's why I'm doing this. So what will happen now, in every drawing or caricature that I'm going to draw under Caricature for a Cause, I will donate to the specific foundation that I have chosen. Then you may order your caricature through my website, which is Milaartistique.com, and you can pay through PayPal. Even now, I would like to thank you all for the support, and may God bless you all 100-fold in return. Hello everyone, this is Mila of Milaartistique. This video that you're viewing is my first project under Milaartistique, which I called Caricature for a Cause. Originally, this idea started when I opened my art studio in the Philippines in the year 2000, and I named it to Little Handprint. I teach arts and crafts to the kids, and then later on, I changed the name to Creative Hand. Then I started to give free art lessons to the kids with disabilities. I have some friends who joined me, and we visited some orphanages and institutions in the Philippines. Then when I moved to United States, I changed again the name to Milaartistique. Now, I decided to continue what I started. I want to use my talent for a purpose. That's why I'm doing this. So what will happen now in every caricature that I will draw under Caricature for a Cause, I will donate to the specific foundation that I have chosen. You may all order your caricature on my website, which is Milaartistique.com, and you can pay through PayPal. Today's feature is Mrs. Cecile Jalac, who has breast cancer. Cecile was born in May 24, 1970. She is now 50 years old, a model wife, and a teacher to her 2 children. She was born and raised in Lardizabal, Sampaloc, Manila, Philippines. She has only one sibling, one brother. She studied Bachelor of Science of Secretariat in Manuel L. Quezon University in the Philippines. Then she got married on January 10, 1998 to Niel Jalac, my college classmate a long time ago, in Bachelor of Science in Architecture. Cecile was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2016. She had her chemotherapy in 2019, and she is supposed to be on her 5th cycle, but the doctor recommended stopping it for a while, for her body cannot longer handle it, and the doctor requested a bone scan. But after 1 month, the cancer cells spread fast throughout her body, and they learned that her kidney was affected too. The family is still hoping for a miracle. Unfortunately, I received bad news today from Niel. Today, Tuesday, August 25, 2020, that his wife Cecile has passed away between 2:30 to 3 p.m. in the Philippines. Prior to that, I already recorded this actual drawing of her caricature, and I was in the process of post-production of this video when I received the bad news from Niel. The original plan was the caricature for a cause of Milaartistique will join their family fundraising for her cancer treatment. But unfortunately, she just passed away today. Nevertheless, the family can still receive any financial help from all of you. To those in the Philippines, you can send GCash account, and I will post it down below, all the details. And for those who live in the United States and who would like to inquire about how to extend their help, please email me at milaartistic.com. milaartistic@gmail.com. According to Niel, his wife will cremate on July 29, 2020. I would like to thank you all in advance for those who have been touched with this video. God bless you all 100-fold in return. For Niel, my deepest sympathies goes out to you and to the entire family. May God give you comfort and peace that you seek. May the soul of Cecile rest in peace. Amen. That's all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it that you stick with me until the end of this video. So don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. And for those who did, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And so please don't forget as well to hit the notification bell so you will be able to notified every time I have a new video. So this is all for now. See you on my next video. Bye!